Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Kalshi notifications for market resolution, price movements, or trade confirmations on your iPhone? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down to the list of apps until you see Kalshi. Tap on it once you find it and tap notifications. Make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it and turn it green. Check the alert style below. It must be banners or alerts, not none. If it says none, nothing will ever appear on your screen, even with notifications technically enabled. Also, turn on sounds and badges after fixing those. Scroll up to the top of the settings and then tap focus. Go through each focus mode you use. Do not disturb, sleep, work. Tap each one and tap apps and make sure Kalshi is not in the silenced app list. Remove it if it's there. Market resolution alerts are time sensitive. Both iPhone notification, permission, and focus settings must be correct for Kalshi alerts to reach you on time. So all you've got to do is go to settings, go to Kalshi, allow notifications on, set style to banners, check focus modes. Kalshi alerts will be working and that's it. Subscribe for more Kalshi tips.